My name is Tinku. Today I'm going to present a puppet show on two pots. Are you all ready to watch? Woohoo! Let's go then! Long ago, there lived a hard-working artisan by the name Bhimaya. He used to carry water to his landlord's house in the two pots that are tied on either side of a log. One pot was leaking while the other pot was perfect. One day, as Bhimaya was carrying water, the perfect pot said to the leaking pot, "Ha ha ha! You are broken and of no use to the owner. You waste more than half of how much water he carries. I am more useful and more helpful to him than you are. I am superior to you." The perfect pot felt greater all the time and it belittled the leaking one. And so the leaking pot felt very bad. It is not being able to be useful to Bhimaya. It felt ashamed that it cannot carry the water like the perfect pot. One day, when Bhimaya was carrying the water like always, the leaking pot said to him, "Dear Bhimaya, please exchange me for a better one." He said, "But why?" It continued saying, "I am not able to carry all the water. The cracks in me are leaking it. I am a burden to you and I am of no use." Bhimaya understood its misery. He said, "Don't feel bad. Look at the flowers lying next to you." The pot turned to its side with curiosity. It was very thrilled about seeing them. Then Bhimaya said, "If you observe it, those little flowers are only on your side, not on the other side. When I am carrying water, I make sure that water you are leaking is going to those flowers, which means that you are only watering those plants which are used in prayers. If it wasn't for you and the water you leak, there would be no flowers to offer to the God. Don't you think now how useful you are?" The leaking pot thanked Bhimaya. The perfect pot said, "Forgive me, my friend. I insulted you by appraising your weakness. I realized my mistake." Bhimaya heard it all and said, "You are both useful to me. When we are together, let's stick with each other and work happily ever after." Hello friends, I hope you all would have enjoyed this story. So friends, it is a time to learn some moral out of this one. So what could we learn from this? That we should not belittle anyone by making fun of their weaknesses. We can only help one another and grow stronger together. Thank you friends for watching this show. Bye.